today we have an espresso machine. It comes with a water reservoir in the lid, an on and off button, a thing to hold the coffee when it comes out, a drip tray, a little measure to measure your coffee grinds, and a coffee filter with the filter included. So today we'll be making a cappuccino. So first things first, make sure to wash every single one of the accessories. And with the pitcher, fill it either to the 2 or the 4. From that, you remove the lid and you pour the water into here. Then you put the lid back on and make sure it's nice and tight so that no steam escapes. You get your coffee grinds into the filter. Okay. Make sure it's nice and tight. Then with that, you get this piece and you put it underneath. Make sure it's nice and locked. So you go from off to the coffee cup mode, and then make sure the red light is on, indicating that it's turned on, and in about 2 minutes the coffee should start running. So now we're gonna froth some milk. Usually you would have a froth pitcher, but we're just gonna use a cup today. So you fill it about, I would say, 2/3 with milk, not too much.
Okay, thumbs up. Is it warming up? All right, first time tasting it. It's good. It's good. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe